So y'all, this is one of many. I'm starting a series called Mom Hacks, and this is one of the hacks that I use a lot. What's up, y'all? Nefertiti, the Corny Rainbow here, and today I am sharing with you guys how I make my hemp milk for my baby girl. I am still exclusively breastfeeding my baby girl, but when mommy needs a break and I am not an oversupplier of breast milk, so I don't have a very huge stash, this hemp milk helps to, give me a little break every now and then. She's also only eating pureed foods right now. Her teeth have kind of come through. She has one tooth that's come through on the bottom and another right beside it that is starting to come through. It's already broken skin. So my goal with her and our food journey is to feed her solids like that she can actually chew on once her teeth come through. Whatever you decide, that is your choice. Talk it over with your pediatrician or your healthcare provider. But in our case, this is what's working best for my baby girl. Like I said, she is exclusively breastfed, and it gives me a little bit of a break to not have her attached to mommy. So let's go ahead and get into the ingredients. Oh, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your main ingredient is a cup of hemp seeds, 4 to 5 cups of spring water. So you're also gonna want to use about a tablespoon of sea moss gel or sea moss powder. I have my sea moss frozen. I freeze them in ice cubes so that they don't go bad. Also, your coconut milk. I may or may not use all of this coconut milk. I just kind of eyeball it. So maybe about half a cup. So gonna want to add agave, and this is also to your liking. I usually wait until after I'm done blending everything up, and then I'll add the agave towards the end. You can see that the hemp seeds are starting to settle to the bottom. You are going to need to really strain this so that it's not too thick unless you like a thicker milk for your baby. My baby girl does not like it if it is not strained, so I'm going to be straining this a couple of times as well. Go ahead and add your agave. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pour it into the jars that I'm going to be using. Next, you're going to get your cheesecloth. Put the cheesecloth over the Vitamix, and then that way I can just pick it all up and squeeze the milk out. Rinse this out, and we're going to fill them up. Looks so much like breast milk after it's been strained with the cheesecloth. This is the fun part, and just squeeze the milk out. Now you can do another round of the cheesecloth if you want, or you can just go ahead and pour it into your jars. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it into the jar because I feel like the consistency is good enough for my baby girl, and I think we're good to go. Let's check out this cheesecloth and see all those, oh my gosh, all that. This will last me a couple of days for my baby girl, and I just store it in the refrigerator. I don't freeze it, but if you like, I feel like you can freeze it just like you would breast milk, but I'm just gonna give her this throughout the week and keep it in the very far back of my refrigerator. You can also warm this up in a bottle warmer. just like you would breast milk or formula. I did give it a little taste myself because I wanted to make sure that it wasn't too sweet. And like I said, you can add the agave or not. My baby girl likes the agave, so I added in there for her. If you have also given your baby hemp milk blend, share what you like to add into yours, or if you have ever tried this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, y'all, stay tuned for the next mom hack. Thanks for watching.